What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Life with Latrice. First and foremost, I am so sorry I haven't posted a video in so long, guys. Like I said in my last video, we have been kind of trying to handle Bentley and get a schedule for him because he does wake up throughout the night and it's very hard for us to be active during the day when we're super tired. So that's why I've been lacking in videos, but I am trying to get caught up and get you guys more videos out. So please be patient with me and also stay tuned for those videos. But guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fix my cracked nail with the Kiss Professional Kit that I got from CVS. Super convenient and it's super easy to do. These are my natural nails. As you can see, I'm going to put a picture right here so you can see them without polish on them. I grew my nails out pretty long. But unfortunately, the nail cracked on the side, and instead of me having to cut it off, or cut them all off, or even getting a fake nail on top of my nail, I purchased this Kiss Professional acrylic kit that basically saved my nails. This is not a promoted video. I'm just showing you guys what I do for my cracked nails. If you guys ever go through the same thing, this worked for me, and I feel like it'll work for you too. So as you can see right now, Seth is taking the polish off of my middle nail, which is the cracked one. He is going to be getting Husband of the Year award because he is so helpful. Every single time I need him, he's so helpful, especially when making these videos. So shout out to you, babe. But yeah, guys, so you can see that I'm showing you guys the crack in my nail. It's not too big, but I know if I was to hit it or continue to wash my hands, it will definitely probably just break off. So in this little kit comes a filer, a little small filer. It comes the acrylic liquid and also comes with the acrylic powder clear. Super handy kit. You guys can also, sorry, the brush. Super handy kit that you can kind of take with you wherever if you do have a broken nail, or if you want to do it on all of your nails, it works for that. Also, it's just like the ones in the nail salon. So I'm pretty much going to show you guys what I do to kind of bring this nail back without having to cut them off, because I actually love my long nails and I actually want to wear them for a little bit. Alright guys, so now I'm going to just let it dry for a little bit. As you guys can see me actively swinging my hair. Got my hair straightened. I love it. And so now I'm going to, once it's dry, take the nail file and kind of shape it up a little bit. Also kind of like get the extra acrylic on the sides off. Kind of like the same thing. It's basically the same thing like they do in the salon, which is so great because you can do it at home and it's very cheap. I think it was like $8. But I rather just do this than having to get like a fake nail put on, like I said. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of shape it up, and then you guys will also see me in this neck clip. I realized that I need a little bit more acrylic on there, just to make sure that I hold it, because the cut was pretty, not the cut, well, I guess it is a cut, huh, because it's in my nail. Well, whatever, it was pretty deep in my nail, so I wanted to make sure that I put enough acrylic on so that it would be secure. So you guys will see me go back and put a more acrylic on just to make sure this nail is going to be saved and does not break. Alright guys, now that's pretty much it. I really liked how my nails came out. Once again, you can get this from CVS for like $8.99. It's super cheap and super affordable. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out my website. And until then, I'll see you in my next video.